Good morning. We discuss this RT-PCR reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction test. Broadly, there are two types of the tests available in the market to do a COVID-19 detection. The RT-PCR test and the rapid antigen test are the two tests available in the market. These tests having their own pros and cons, but RT-PCR remains the gold standard for testing. As per experts, RT-PCR test has a specificity rate of nearly 100%, whereas the sensitivity rate of about 67%. This means RT-PCR test will not give false positive, but there are 30 to 35% chances of getting false negatives. The RT-PCR test starts with a simple swab taken from inside a person's throat or nose. Coronaviruses have RNA as their genetic material. However, the swabs from patients yield only a teeny quantity of RNA, which is not adequate for testing process. To overcome this problem, RNA is converted into a two-strand DNA using an enzyme. This is known as reverse transcription. Researchers select specific areas in the genome that do not mutate rapidly as the virus evolves and create copies of these using PCR process. The next step is the use of primers. These are small pieces of DNA designed only to bind to the selected DNA sequences of the SARS-CoV-2 viral genome. Along with primers, the process uses a fluorescent dye which act as the probe. The patient sample, primer and probe are together left in the PCR machine for the binding process to take place. A fluorescent signal marks the presence of the virus. The time duration for the testing process is around 4 to 8 hours, but results may take up to a delay to arrive because of the time taken to transport samples to the labs. The disadvantages are the financial cost compared to the antigen test, the longer evaluation time, and the need for highly professional staff for sample handling. At the initial stage of the coronavirus pandemic, RT-PCR test was priced at rupees 4,500, but now the cost has been brought down to rupees 2,500. It is still expensive and takes a day to give the results. Thank you for your listening.